2022 IRS tax refunds, amended tax refunds. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking IRS news, alerts, and updates. Make sure you're watching till the very end. We have lots of information to cover, like the next expected direct deposit date, what happens if the bank rejects your tax refund, if you need to verify your identity in person, what identification and documents you need to take with you, as well as IRS notices and phone numbers. All right, let's go ahead and begin with August 24 update on the IRS.gov website, which is the COVID tax relief. All right, to help struggling taxpayers affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, the IRS has issued Notice 2022-36, which provides penalty relief to most people and businesses who filed certain 2019 or 2020 tax returns late. They are also taking an additional step to help those who paid those penalties already. If you have already paid your penalty for filing late, you will be receiving an automatic refund credit. All right, up to 1.2 billion in refunds and credits will be issued. Many of those payments are scheduled to be completed by the end of September, so make sure you're checking for it if you qualify. To qualify for this relief, any eligible income tax return must be filed on or before September 30th, 2022. Now, in terms of the tax returns still waiting to be processed and how many are still due, the IRS has not updated that data this week. The last update was August 19th. Make sure you check out that video. It will be pinned in the comment section. So we do not know what the numbers is right now. All right, moving on to the next expected direct deposit date shared by your fellow taxpayers. That date is 8/46. Refund issued August 31st, 2022. Make sure to share with us in the comments section if you receive an expected direct deposit date and for when. And if you receive your tax refund already, share with others in the comment section. Okay. Understanding your CP5 notice. This notice tells you that the IRS tried to direct deposit your refund, but your financial institution couldn't process it, and they are researching your account, and it will take 8 to 10 weeks to reissue you a refund. So if your bank rejects your tax refund, the IRS will then have to do some research, which can take an additional 10 weeks before you finally get your refund. It says that you can call the toll-free number on the top right-hand corner of the notice that was sent to you in terms of the rejection. If you call before the 8 to 10 weeks, it states they won't have any information about the status of your refund. Why did your financial institution return your direct deposit to the IRS? It states some of the reasons, or maybe there was an issue with your name, social security number, routing number, or account number. Now, if still you don't receive your refund after 8 to 10 weeks, you can do a payment trace. I will pin that video in the comment section as well as in the description box on the process of how to do a payment trace for lost or stolen refunds. If you have to verify your identity in person at the local office because you weren't able to do it online or by phone, you must bring the letter that the IRS sent to you, which is letter 5747C, along with the income tax return listed in the letter and a previous income tax return as well. It says other than the one listed in the letter, and notation form W-2 or your 1099 is not your tax return. Supporting documents that you filed for each year's income tax return, form W-2, form 1099, schedule C and F etc. Now you must also bring identity verification documents that you can bring to verify your identity is a valid U.S. federal or state government issued ID, or at least one of the following: your current U.S. federal or state government issue identification, social security card, mortgage statement with current address, lease agreement for a house or apartment with your current address, your car title, your voter registration card, your utility bill showing your address, birth certificates. It says the IRS no longer accepts Puerto Rican birth certificates issued before July 1st, 2010, or you can provide school records to verify who you are. If the IRS is unable to process your identity verification, it states that they will not be able to process your tax refund. So make sure you need to be checking your mail to see if you have to verify your identity, checking online, log into your online account, as well as you can contact the IRS to see if you need to verify your identity. What happens after you verify your identity? It can take up to 6 to 9 weeks before you receive your refund. It can take approximately 9 weeks to complete your refund. Many have stated they have received it much sooner than the 9 weeks. Now, CPO5 Notice and CPO5B Notice. These notices are notices where the IRS need additional information to verify your income. So there's an issue with the income they have on file and the income that your job has reported, or they have not received the verification from your employer. So if you receive these notices, make sure you are sending the IRS copies of the items they are asking you for to complete and verify your income so you can get your tax refund timely. Here is some phone numbers shared on notices sent to your fellow taxpayers. For individual wage earners, if you're having problems with your tax return in terms of income related, 1-800-829-0922 for individual wage earners. Individual self-employed business owners, 1-800-829-8374. And for the hearing impaired, 1-800-829-4059. Outside of the U.S., 1-267-941-1000. All right. And of course, if you need to check the status of your amended tax returns, the Where is My Amended Return tool on irs.gov, or you can call 866-464-2050. Remember, it's taken the IRS more than the normal 20 weeks to process your amended tax returns, and those amended tax returns are extremely delayed. Contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service if you are experiencing economic hardship, or if you have been waiting more than the 120 days for your tax refund, at 1-877-777-4778. For the hearing impaired, 1-800-829-4059. All right. Make sure to call the Taxpayer Advocate Service. You need to give yourself some time when you have free time, because you have to keep calling and redialing until you get someone. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most. I am doing the research, so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very, very soon. Bye-bye.